At a military airport in Iraq, United Nations inspectors await the start of an unprecedented transportation mission. One of the largest cargo planes in the world, an Antonov 124, brings specialized equipment to remove enriched nuclear fuel from an Iraqi research reactor. It's a key step in the Security Council mandated operation to eliminate Iraq's weapons of mass destruction in the wake of the Gulf War. The fuel being removed has the potential to make weapons-grade material for nuclear bombs. Many of the Iraqi nuclear facilities were destroyed during the war. Extracting fuel rods from the rubble presented a considerable challenge, according to Maurizio Zifferero of the International Atomic Energy Agency.
It's not been easy. It took us a lot of time to identify countries and companies willing to undertake this operation under contract with the United Nations and the IAEA.
It was the Russian Ministry of Atomic Energy that won the contract. A United States company provided the transportation casks, rugged containers capable of withstanding even an air crash. During the Gulf War, some of the more than 200 fuel rods removed from Iraq's nuclear reactors were buried in these water tanks to protect them from destruction. But the risk of radiation remains high. IAEA specialists monitor radiation levels on the worksite. Inspector Robert Ubrard.
It's not a safe place because dose rate is rather high, or maybe rather high according to the type of work which will be done, and according also to the weather temperature.
Each cask has to be carefully placed above the tanks to receive the extremely toxic fuel assemblies. The casks weigh 25 tons each and have a thick concrete lining to prevent leakage of radiation. It's slow and painstaking work, with the strictest safety measures being enforced. Fuel assemblies buried under a collapsed research reactor also have to be removed from the reactor water pool. After being lifted out and scrubbed clean of debris, the fuel rods that formed a key element in Iraq's nuclear weapons program are placed in the special shipping containers. A closely guarded convoy now takes the containers with their deadly cargo of potential bomb material to the aircraft waiting at the airport near Baghdad. The final destination will be Russia, where the fuel will be diluted down from weapons-grade quality. It will then be sold under IAEA supervision to civilian reactors. It's the first time that irradiated material has been flown across international borders. The 2 air shipments needed were completed earlier this year. The entire operation will cost some $25 million, money that will be recovered from Iraq when oil sales resume. This has been a report from the United Nations.